Yo, what's up everyone, this is EIZY and welcome back to my channel. This time around I have something new to show you guys, tips and tricks on how to kitbash 30 minutes mission from Bandai with the Frame Arms Girl and also the Megami Device. And also don't forget to visit my Facebook page EIZY Customizer. Don't forget to hit the like and follow on Facebook, and also like, subscribe and share my videos on YouTube too. Since everyone keep asking me, can you kitbash 30 minutes mission parts with the Frame Arms Girl and also the Megami Device, well, this is the answer for you guys. So we have here a drill bit, a 3mm drill bit here, so a screwdriver. Actually you need this kind of screwdriver because we need this thing right here. We need the size of this thing for the Megami Device, a side cutter, yeah, a piece from the extra runners. This is a 3mm piece. You guys are not sure whether the size is right, just grab a poly cap here like this, just try to slot it in if it fits, and this is your perfect piece for this. You need to find this kind of poly cap. I bet you can get this one from the high grade. We have here the Alto and the Porta Nova 30 minutes mission, and also the Frame Arms Girl Architect. And this Megami Device is actually from the spare parts from all my Megami Device. So this is her. So first thing first, we're gonna start with the Frame Arms Girl. I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, there you go. Let's say you want to use the arms and the legs of 30 minutes mission. For this Frame Arms Girl, first of all, you need to take this off. Anything, I just want to show you something. So for the 30 minutes mission here, model kit, the arm, it has this male joint here, I mean the male connector here, see, while the Frame Arms Girl here we have a female connector. So you guys need to convert like this. We have the male and the male connector here in one fit, so we need to convert this one into a female one. So I'm going to show you guys for the arm first. Let's put this one aside. There you go. Grab one of your extra poly cap here. We're gonna turn this one into a female connectors for both. First thing first, you need to cut this side. See, just cut this one. You need to cut this one, and for the top part of it, you need to cut it this piece here, the top part of it, like this, like so. 1, 2, 3. There you go. There we have our female connector. But with this female connector, the size of it, it's pretty small. What we need to do next is grab your drill bit. This is a 3mm grab bit, the drill bit. Just drill this one. Just drill the hole here until you get, I have a full one here, until you get a perfect 3mm hole here, like this. There you go. Okay. So we have one connector here, polycap cut and trim out. You just need to slide this back to the 30 minutes mission kit. There's a polycap inside that we already cut it out, and also this part from 30 minutes mission and the frame arms girl join here. Next thing is you need to put this part from the frame arms girl like this. There you go. Or maybe on the other side of it. This should do. So it will be, it looks like this, and just simply slide this in, and we have the 30 minutes mission arm on the frame arms girl. So it will looks like this because this is the frame arms girl part. I put it down here, and I put the 30 minutes mission part up here at the top, so you guys can cover up the joints whatsoever, so it looks perfectly fit. And so for the Porta Nova hand, I mean the arm now, we have the polycaps here. Just simply slide this one in like so, and then this part here, just cover this one up like that. And final things to do is set it in. There you have your Porta Nova arms with the Alto arm on the frame arms girl. Well, this is the basic connectors from the polycap. You guys can just redesign everything. The legs here, we have the female connector down here, while we also have another female connector for the Alto legs here, ball joint here. Slide this one in, and there you have our female connector. So the trick is just simply grab this spay runners from a male connector here, just measure the size needed, and then you just cut this one out like so, and just slide this in. So we have a very nice leg here for the Alto. There's a gap here, but you guys can figure out how to make it perfectly fit later. Maybe you just need to cut the front parts or anything, or maybe just use plow plates. Depends on you guys. I'm just showing the basic of kit bashing this using the polycaps and the spare runners from Porta Nova. So we should put the joint here, ball joint inside. There you go. Another female connector, and with the female connector here. The same trick is use the spare runner here. We have a male connector here. Cut this one out and slide it back in. So, where's the head? So here's our 30 minutes mission arms and legs with the frame arms girl, how she looks like. So like I said, this is the basic kit bashing tips and tricks for you guys using polycaps and also the spare runners. Next is for the Megami Device. Well, for this kit bash thing here for the Megami Device is a bit difficult compared to the frame arms girl, because she has a different kind of male connector down here for the leg, but for the arm we have the same. The male connector here, we have the same size, 3 mm, like we already done here, converting the male to female. So it's gonna be simple like this. Just slide this in like so, and there we have our arm here. But for the legs, like I said, it has the same male connector, but it's totally different because it is much bigger than 3mm. You guys can compare this. It's much bigger than that. So for my tricks to do this, we're gonna use the same polycap here. There's another piece, and same thing here. Just cut this side, and we have this polycap here, and then you need to drill at the top here, because there's a hole down here but not at the top. You need to drill the top first. And I'm gonna skip this because I did done like this. So after you cut it out, I mean after you drill it, you need to use the screwdriver like this, because you need a bigger size, much bigger than 3mm. You can use the back of this screwdriver here. Just put it so, or maybe you can start with this one, since this one is the pointy one. You can just start to drill another hole much bigger, and it looks pretty ugly. And drill, you're gonna have a very ugly polycap. It turns into this, a very ugly one, but it has a very large hole, so it will fit inside this male connector here. It a little bit of force here. There you go, like so. And then grab your 30 minutes mission leg. Sorry for the notification. I'm actually recording this using my phone. So there you go. Just simply slide this in like so. If it doesn't fit, or if it's too tight, you can just trim the side of it, because this is a polycap, not a plastic. Just you can fix that one. Put this one back, and there you go. And this gap for this leg too, but you guys can cover that up later using any parts available in your backlog. For the articulation, you can move side by side. It's not really that solid, but at least it won't fall off. But it's fine though. You still can do side by side like this, a swivel here. Same goes with this one. You have same articulation, and yeah, that's it. This is for the Megami Device and also the Frame Arms Girl. So that's all for my tips and tricks for this kit bashing between the Bandai kit and the Kotobukiya kit. I hope you guys can get something from this video. This is a very simple trick without cutting down your precious Frame Arms Girl and the Megami Device. You just sacrifice the polycaps there, and this is the simplest thing that I can share with you guys. I have a lot of things like modification and such, but it will cost you a lot of cutting down all the parts and drilling, but I just want to show you guys the simplest thing so you can do it by yourself. That's all for my video. I will show you guys the outcome of this through this both of this kit in the 30-minute mission parts in the pictures. So if you guys like it, enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, and also follow my Facebook page. Hit the like button. Don't forget to share if you guys want to share my very not really that cool stuff, just something like this. Oh, hope you guys enjoy it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you again.